Okay, today we're going to talk about some of the things we're working on here, and these are all parts on top of the desk here for a 1968 280 SE Coupe, which is outside the shop. We'll show you that in a minute. So what we do is we take these parts off, nuts, bolts, washers, screws, pulleys, anything like that, brackets, you know, things like that. And we sandblast them, then we polish them, and they send them off to a place, and they zinc chromate that. So that's a zinc plating, and then they use a chromate wash on there. So that's that yellow, gold, green color in there. So it does a really pretty job. It makes it look really nice. This is the intake manifold off the engine, with the throttle valve and everything here. And when the engine runs, and the cold start valve sprays some fuel into the intake manifold to start it, eventually it coats the inside of it kind of with a greasy, you know, waxy, carbony stuff in there. And if you try and sandblast that, that sand will stick to that grease in there, and you can't get it out. So what we do first is I send this to the machine shop, where I have my parts done, and they put it in a big machine. I think they call it a cyclone. It's like a big dishwasher, and it actually strips the grease and oil and grime off these things and cleans them. And then I brought it back and I just gave it a really light blasting, and then we just polished that with a wire wheel on an electric drill.
So this is for a full engine rebuild.
Yeah.
Like this is how it's.
So you know, when you as you can see, there's all these little plated parts that will go on there in the brackets and everything, so it's going to look real nice. Well, there's some engines outside we'll actually show you. We just sorted through some of these things just to get them kind of in the proper order that we want to install everything, you know, just different parts for different parts of the engine. This is the actual camshaft out of this engine, come to think of it here. These little X's mean that it's ruined, okay? And what they did is they ran it out of oil. And the car was down in Florida.